Hey guys, this is Rima here. Welcome to my channel, and today we are here in the Bryson community located in Leander, Texas. We're going to be touring a Perry model home, a single-story home that is right here. This one it is 2916 square footage. Now for Perry models, the model name is the square footage of the home. So this one has 4-bedroom, a 3-car garage, very spacious, open layout with high ceilings, roughly around 12-foot height. And another thing about this community is that it's got amenity centers, dog park, bike and hike trails, and a swimming pool for the little ones. And also has an elementary school right here within the community for those that have the little ones to raise. And the other one thing that I love is the locality of this community. It is right where there's a Highway 183, so it's easy for you guys to get in and out for those daily errands that you need to do. Again, this one, actually the model home may be coming up for sale later on. So if you're interested, let me know. They're also going to be building some more homes on the lot, but one thing is that they're going to be releasing half an acre lot. So yes, I know those are huge, and I know their clients are looking for big lots, open, lots of space outside. So be on the lookout. You know, if you're wanting information on those half-acre lots that are going to be released, comment below, reach out to me. I'll get those details for you guys. But that being said, let's go ahead and check out this beautiful Perry model home right here in the Bryson community in Leander, Texas. And for those that are new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and like it, as they're going to be seeing model home tours and getting lots of information on buyers and sellers and tips on real estate. Thanks.